I'm going to show you how to export in Adobe Premiere. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure your project is ready, and then you're going to come over here and go to export. So once this loads up, once you're in this, you're going to first change your file name. So let's change it to test. And we'll do that, and it'll have the MP4, whatever format it is. Our location, you can choose what location you want, and then I'm going to go down in here and you can change it to a certain type of quality. So let's do high quality 4K, or if it's 1080p or 720 then, or 480, stuff like that, then you choose that. But since this is just a normal 4K video, we're gonna click that, and then that'll load up. And then make sure it's on H.264 as the format, because that'll be the best format. Make sure your audio and stuff is all good. All this stuff we shouldn't have to mess with. This should be good. And once that is all ready, we're gonna come down here, and if you've rendered anything, you gotta make sure to go to custom, because sometimes if you've rendered something, it'll like only show that part. It'll only show like the gap here. I'll show you, like sometimes if you render something, it'll only look like this, and it'll only export this part. So if that does happen, make sure to extend these like this. And once that is done, now that everything is all set, we can click export. So we're going to come down here to the bottom right corner and click export. So that'll start exporting. It depends how long the video will take, and it'll take a little longer if it's a long video. If it's a short video, it shouldn't take very long. Okay guys, it is all done. So I'll pop up a little box right here, and then make sure, I always do this after I'm done editing, is I'm going to go to file and come down here to save. We're going to click on that, and then that'll save the file, and then we can go to home and then cancel out. So we're going to go to home, and then we can click the X button right here at the top, and we're good. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.